Good morning, Wheatley Wildcats. Today is Tuesday, August 28th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for our weekly motto. I am somebody. The me I see is the me I'll be. I can be respectful, responsible, and resourceful. I can succeed. Today's weather is a high of 89 and sunny. Happy birthday today to Michael and Andre. Happy birthday, boys. Today's core content vocabulary is the word details. In reading, details is the specific information that supports the main idea. So when you have details, you are supporting what that main idea is. Remember that the main idea is what the passage is about, and so the details are what supports that. And our math vocabulary word for today is solid figures. When we talk about solid figures in math, we talk about a three-dimensional figure. You all have probably heard the word three-dimensional, like when you go to the movies. Sometimes we even have 4D movies now. But when you go see a 3D movie, it looks like objects are coming at you, that they're three-dimensional, they're solid, they're not just on a piece of paper. So something three-dimensional is something you can actually pick up and see that it has depth as well. So this would be a three-dimensional figure just because you can see that it's like a box and it's not just flat on a piece of paper. Okay, so these things would be a rectangular prism and a cube. This is a cube right here because it looks like it has different sides and you can kind of pick it up in your hands. It's not just sitting on paper. So that's what a solid figure is. And now for the words of wisdom. Good morning, Wheatley Elementary. This is Mrs. Gregory with a few words of wisdom. How many of you have a hard time making yourself do homework? Does just the thought of it make you sick? Do you put it off until the last minute? Do you whine and complain? I know some of you do. Do you make excuses of why you shouldn't do it? It's boring, or I didn't write it down, or it's too hard. Now listen up. Homework doesn't have to be a terrible, horrible, worse than eating dirt kind of thing. The trick to doing homework is to just do it. Decide on a certain time you'll do it each day. It can even be in the mornings when you get to school from that 8:30 to 8:55 block. Eat a healthy snack before you start and work at the same pace so that your brain knows that it's time to switch your homework into gear. Ask for help when you need it, and then remember this. It feels great to get your homework done. If you do it early, you can relax the rest of the evening without that sick feeling of, oh my gosh, I still have to do my homework. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Gregory. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. And for the fresh fruit and vegetable today is the cantaloupe. Boys and girls, Miss Gregory needs to learn how to read a calendar because I have this down for yesterday and it is not. You will be getting your cantaloupe today. So remember those great things about cantaloupe. Those will be what you're eating this afternoon for fresh fruits and vegetables. And don't forget the difference between a good day and a bad day are the choices that you make. Have a great day, Wheatley Elementary.